It's a very cold today. I have only my wool hat and nothing else, no jackets. And I'm very hungry as always. I found a hole in ice, but I have no fishing poles. Maybe I wait somebody come in that frozen lake and gives me advice. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. My name is Nick. I flew over here from escape from Florida hurricanes. And where is the closest restaurant, sir?
Oh, you're just a couple miles outside Anchorage.
Are you telling me that I'm in Alaska right now?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I have ice skates. Before I get into Alaska Anchorage restaurant, maybe I do some ice skating. I like to thank you for direction to Anchorage restaurant. And which road you pointed me I should take?
Let's go straight down that way.
Okay, thank you very much.